Hi guys, this car here is special. It's a Voodoo Blue Pontiac G8. So it's got the Pontiac front end. There's no Pontiac badge there. It's got the bonnet's vents. It's got your black and silver treatment in the headlights. Front fog lights. It's for sale too. It's a 2009 Holden Commodore SSV 6-speed manual. These are the mods to it. So I'll show them soon. So that's them there, as you can see. It's done 44,000 kilometers, so extremely low kilometers for a 12-year-old car. When was this car built? It's built the 17th of November 2009. As you can see, it's for sale. SS floor mats. Wouldn't better not put my dirty feet in there. Decent sized glove box. It's a 6-speed manual. Door pockets. Door speakers. SS embossed into the seats. It's got your chrome surroundings. So the back, if I was to put my feet in there, I'd have plenty of room in the back. So storage here, rear air vents. Flip down centre armrest. It's got your really nice alloy wheels. I think 19 inch, and stacks of tread left in the tyres. It's got your Pontiac G8 tail lights, the Pontiac badge. Get into the boot. This is a 1 of 3 build, so there's only 3 Pontiac G8s that stayed in Australia that I know of. There's this, so I'll explain it soon. There's 495 litres of boot space, as you can see. Close that down now. Good look at it from this angle. That's it there, as you can see. It's got your quad exhaust outlets, rear parking sensors. Get to the engine. Just give me a minute to find the latch. It's a 6-litre V8. The L98. This is a really nice car, being a Pontiac G8. Excuse me. So this engine cranks out 270 kilowatts of power and 530 newton meters of torque from the factory. Right, let's start the Pontiac and give you a listen to it. Yep, that's closed properly. Bonnet vents. It's got tinted windows too, as you can see. SS carpet mats here too. Electric driver's seat. Right, get myself into a comfortable position. So, this car is one of 3 Pontiac G8s that I know of that stayed in Australia. So there's this Voodoo Blue one, which is this one I'm in right now as we speak. And there's a Poison Ivy one, which is cammed, that I know of. And I know the owner, but I haven't seen the owner for ages. And there's a black one over in WA, Western Australia, that's coming up on a YouTube channel called Ross Reviews. And that's a black one which is also cammed up. So, this is bill number 303. So the Poison Ivy one, which is cammed, is bill number 103. And the black one, which is also cammed, is bill number 203. And this one is bill number 303. So the last one, so there's only 3 Pontiac G8s in total here in Australia. There's lots more over in America. Excuse me, sorry, I'm a bit sick. Don't have COVID. I'm here doing this review. So, manual. So to start it, you put your foot on, just so. It's done 44,557 kilometers, so that's extremely low kilometers for a nearly 12-year-old car. So to start it, you put your foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, put the key in first. Make sure that's in neutral. Yep. It's got the nice rumble, as you can hear. Give you a listen to it. I'll give it a few small revs soon so you can hear it. It's got your alloy face pedals. It's got your Bluetooth. It's got phone. Mute, you can mute the radio. Volume control. Here it's got your trip computer. As you can see, audio. You can go through different stations. It's got your leather steering wheel. It's got your electric power steering. It's a little bit vague, but it's still pretty good. Horn. So that's for horn. Brush aluminium here. This side, it's got your cruise control indicators. Build quality is good. Also wipers. So, let's show. So, it's got your voltometer, oil temperature. So I think that's for oil temperature. Not sure which one's which out of those two, but that's your voltometer. So audio, it's got your hazards too. volume down by the steering wheel. You can mute the radio. It's got the Blow Punks radio, you can see the track. As you can see, safe for doing use off the steering wheel though. Navigation, full map, navigation not available. It's got time, help, AUX, band, CD. So it's got a CD player as you can see. Blow Punks radio. You can control the volume by here too. Dual zone electronic climate control. You can adjust the temperature. So I'm on low and my passenger is on 21. Traction control, yep, that's turned off. One thing, in a performance car like this, you must always turn traction control off in every single performance car out there, including this car. Got your electric windows. Electric windows, electric mirrors, got your central locking, 2 decent sized cup holders, center console here. This car is in really good condition, where it's in it's hard to say, so it's in good condition. It's the SS and it's the V8. You've got automatic headlights here and fog lights too. It's got your tilt and telescopic steering wheel, little coin tray here, your brushed aluminium dash spears here, black headliner as you can see, and black interior trim, so much better than the cream headliner in the VFs. Overhead console, matte reading light. So the sun visors are black, pillars are black. You've got side airbags, you've got 6 airbags in this car. So black sun visors, black pillars, and black headliner, which is good. As you can see, looks much better than the cream head. Excuse me. So the black looks much better than the cream in the VFs. Give you a listen to the exhaust system. That's the exhaust as you can see, as you can hear. I'll give it a few revs, then I'll shut it off. So, I'll move my seat forward a bit. Here we go. I'll go a bit higher. One more, then I'll shut it off. Right, that's a few revs for you guys. Right, let's shut it off. As you can see, 44,557 kilometers. Right, this is Jordan's Car Reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell, and please also like and share the video, and please also drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.